This is Atsuko Yamagata, Japanese artist based in Manila, Philippines. This group exhibition, the title is Replacement 2, organized by Underground Gallery, and the 10 artists participating. My artworks is I exhibiting my 3 artworks, and the title is Inner Narratives. So Inner Narratives 1, Inner Narratives 2, and 3. So actually I made these pieces during lockdown, and during lockdown I really be more conscious of my inside body and physically and mentally, and I express inner physical feeling or emotions on the canvas. So, and then I use the handmade papers, glues, Indian ink, acrylic, and pencil. The reason why I titled Inner Narratives, so this is an abstract painting, but if you look closer, there are many small narratives inside body. So I hope people can enjoy the painting.
So hello everyone, my name is Raz. I'm gallery manager here in Underground Gallery. So to give you an idea about our show Replacements 2, it is about the artist's reflection during the lockdown. It's like their visual diary of their everyday lives dealing with the current situation in our country. So different mediums, different ideas. If you have time, we hope that you can take a look at our show and visit us in our gallery.
Please come to the gallery Underground in Makati Central Square, second floor. You can enjoy many of the artists' artworks, especially many artworks made during lockdown. So you can see you can witness of the artworks of this time. Thank you.